the Edifier GX07. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the GX07 gaming earbuds by Edifier. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with a user guide, small, medium, large ear tips, a storage bag, and a Type-C charging cable. The earbuds feature 6.5 hours of listening time, 19.5 hours with the case, Bluetooth 5.0, AAC, SBC, LHDC codec, 8mm drivers, ANC, ambient, and an app, low latency game mode, touch controls and RGB lighting, USB-C for charging, and it's IP54 dust and water resistant. The case has a unique design with a glossy finish all around. This comes in gray or yellow. It has a shape and design that will appeal to a lot of gamers. On the side you have the RGB lighting and the front has the branding. On the back you have the USB-C charge port. To access the earbuds, the lid has a wing type design and they flip to the side. The earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case, and you can see the ear indicators etched in inside. Looking at the lighting around the case, they turn on automatically and will cycle through the colors when the lid is open. Earbuds are fairly small with a flat stem design and a boomerang shape. Inside face has a glossy finish with ear indicators on the lower part of the stem. The outer face has a branding with the same finish just like the case, and you also have the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have microphones, touch control, interchangeable ear tips, and charging contacts. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to navigate playback, calls, and ANC features. This has app integration, and once connected you can see the battery levels, toggle ANC and ambient features, along with a wide range of general settings and game mode. The case comes in at 2.4 by 2.2 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at 53 grams and the earbuds come in at 11 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Never understand the things that we want, but you keep coming back. I want love you don't know, so why are you here? Yeah, I should take it back so that you don't know. Your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Squeeze you like I'm Elsa, so my let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, head to toe. Said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Edifier GX07 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. I found them to be very comfortable and they felt secure. They seated well in my ears. I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals, and the touch controls are a plus. Build and quality is solid. Earbuds and case feel durable. I like the overall design of the case with the wing type lid along with the RGB accenting. The earbuds sit flush and don't protrude out as much. Touch controls are not overly sensitive and responded well. Battery life is respectable at 6.5 hours and 19.5 with the case. Having ANC feature on can reduce it a few hours. I like the app integration, but I would have liked to seen wireless charging. The ANC feature canceled the surrounding sounds very well, and you can definitely tell the difference when toggling it on and off. The ambient sound when activated picks up the surroundings loud and clear, and you can adjust the volume levels on it. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in deep, punchy, and tight. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and there's good separation. It was a pleasant listening experience as I tested it through various music genres. Overall, I feel the earbuds have good value. They kept the gamers in mind with this design, and I like the lighting effects. It sounds and looks great. So that is my review of the Edifier GX07 True Wireless Gaming Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.